Hello friends, welcome back to BNB. So today's topic is HSRP. So the scope of this video is to just see how HSRP helps in getting a redundant routing in a network. So the basic concept behind HSRP is hot standby router protocol. This is like providing a router failover, or if you have a gateway which fails and you are not able to reach the destination network, but HSRP will help us to do a failover in routing so that a secondary gateway will help us to reach the destination even though the primary goes down. So here I'm just showing the reachability of multi-server, which is in the green box on right side top, from the PC's end system on the below, through the OSPF network in the middle in the pink box. So if you see the network, I am just showing all the routers here. So you can see all the routers with the connected interfaces are configured with the IP addresses. You can just have a look on it. So this is the connectivity details. So once I've configured all the IP address on the corresponding interfaces, I have configured a OSPF, and this is a converged OSPF network in the pink box where you have a reachability from the down end system towards your multi-server through this OSPF network. So you can see show IP OSPF neighbor. So all the neighbors are full and are in the corresponding state. And if you see the route, you have a route to the multi-server 50.50.2 through the OSPF route. And if you put show IP route for that particular thing, you can see for that particular multi-server, you can see the route through OSPF. Similarly on this router, so we have two routers which is on left and right. Both are acting as a gateway for the LAN network which is on the blue box. So you can see here the route is there for reaching the multi-server on this router as well. So let's go to the configuration mode and try to configure the HSRP. So you have to configure the interface connecting your LAN network by using these commands. Three commands are required, which is standby 1 IP and the IP address of the gateway, and then standby 1 priority should be the default priority is 100. I have configured 251 here, and then I have also configured the preempt by using standby 1 preempt. So you can see here, so the priority is 251 and the virtual IP address is 10.10.10.3, which is the gateway, which is the virtual IP address acting as a gateway. And you can see here show standby brief. This is an active router, active HSRP router, and you can see the virtual IP address same, and you can see the priority is 255. And now go to the PC1 and do the trace route for the multi-server IP. So you can see it is going via 40 network, which is on the right side. Okay, and if you see this router 2, I'm going to reload this router 2. I'm going to crash that router manually, so that creating a scenario where one of the router gateway router has gone down. So now if you do a trace route again from PC1, it will have a reachability towards the multi-server, but with another path which is on through 30 network. You can see on the screen. So this router takes over the routing reachability for this PC. So there is a flawless router redundancy is achieved by using a HSRP on these two routers. So we will see how HSRP works and what are the states in HSRP, how we are going to configure them briefly. So all those things will be seen in an upcoming video, as I said. So right now I'm just showing you only the concept behind HSRP, the purpose behind the HSRP. I hope this helps you to identify the purpose of HSRP. Thank you for listening to this video. See you in the next video.